Hi, I'm Ray from the Radio Workshop. Shortwave listening. Yes, shortwave listening. A lot of people say, oh, there's nothing on shortwave anymore. If you tune around during the day, you might think that to be the case. There's not a lot around during the day because of propagation. A customer picked up a radio.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm continuing to look for things for us who are shut in, which is most of us right now, to do. And I thought I'd show you some YouTube channels that I like. This particular one is called Radio Workshop. I've been a subscriber for quite a few years. A gentleman's name is Ray. I believe he's over in the UK. He has a workshop where he works on old radios, and he provides a lot of useful information. He has a very dry sense of humor, which I like, and I think you ought to check him out. Let me go to his channel here, and let's see, does it say, let's go to videos, and no, it doesn't say. I was trying to see if it said how many he has, but he's got a lot, and he puts them out about once or twice a week, kind of like I do. So here's the one I caught yesterday, which was actually, he hadn't done one in quite a while, 3 weeks ago. And it just goes on and on and on. Reviews, like here's the radio that I reviewed, the V115, gives you another insight from a different perspective. Talks about, repairing radios and things in general. Here's the Bofang. He's got a lot of shows. If you haven't heard of him, please put him on your list of shows to watch. Again, it's the Radio Workshop. And he stops by my channel quite often. He also stops by when I do a live stream and says hello. So I appreciate that, Ray. And check him out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.